My name is Mark Tidrick. I am the children's librarian at the Mount Pleasant branch of the Cleveland Public Library. And today I'm going to talk about the picture book called One of These is Not Like the Others by Barney Saltzberg. It was published by Neil Porter Books in 2020. And you might know Saltzberg by one of his 40 published books, including the wildly popular Animal Kisses series. Now, if you are of a certain age, the title of the book may remind you of the Sesame Street song of the same name. Not unlike that song, early readers are asked to look at 4 things and describe which one is different from the others. But instead of focusing on the differences, like the song, of those objects, Saltzberg subtly lets children know that differences are something that are awesome. To send his message, Saltzberg uses interesting foursomes like cats and aliens and monsters for kids to examine. So he's touching on all the things I love to see in kids' books, and I just bet a few kids will love them too. With very few words and lovable creatures, Saltzberg creates a beautifully simple book with a very powerful message. To quote the last line of the book, some of us are a little different, and that's the way we like it.